goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind erasing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I'm broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. There goes my hand shaking, and you are the reason my heart keeps bleeding. I need you now. If I could turn back the clock, I'd make sure the light defeated the dark. I'd spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. And I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean.
It's about my big day. I would say it is completely unbelievable that this is happening. I mean, we had so many plans prior to this, but nothing worked out. And amazingly, like Sri Lanka just happened to, happen so fast for us in a week. And we were so excited about it. Like, I'm personally very excited. I'm kind of happy, nervous as well. So I can't wait for it. Like, I can't wait for the ceremony and the blessing and, having my mom and sister by my side. So, yeah.
She knows I won't be able to talk much in such situations. But I'll tell you one thing, that today's a big day.
Both of us didn't propose each other. It was very mutual. We both kind of understood that we liked each other and then we started dating. But yes, you're asking about the engagement, obviously he did. My family has been like a great support. We belong from different religions, but everybody's been very loving and very caring and supportive about it. And I absolutely love this side of the family. I think they've made me feel so comfortable, so much at ease, and I'm grateful because the family is just expanding now.
And we have been waiting for this day since almost 3 years or more now. And I have no idea how we have reached so far. It just happened so naturally, and
He was supposed to go somewhere else, and then everything worked out so well over here. The hotel is amazing, the country is beautiful, and people are amazing. The amount of help we have gotten from the time we have reached is so kind, so sweet, and I think it wouldn't be possible without the people who are here helping us out. So, yeah, I'm forever grateful that Sri Lanka will always be etched in my heart forever. My partner, what can I say? He's crazy. And that's what I've loved about him the most from the very beginning. He's my best friend. We've known each other from like school days and like that. I think the thing about him that makes him most special is that he's just so himself. Like he's unbothered about the world and he just loves and he's just very kind.
today is the day where we are gonna be together forever and share all our problems or our worries and just do things together. And I can't wait for that to start to happen.
Waiting to go see him because my mom and my sister like he looks really, really nice. So I'm very excited to see him. I'm very excited to exchange our, personal vows, and I can't wait. I actually want to officially concept. My dearest legal husband and soon to be religious husband as well. This journey of the past 3 years has been nothing short of an adventure with you. I'm finding it very difficult to believe that after all the ups and downs that we have been through, we are finally standing here across each other, actually sitting, waiting to go down the road literally to be man and wife in front of God. We have known each other from a long time, from the time we were literally children. Never in a million years we would have imagined that the both of us, hailing from different countries, different religions and backgrounds, would have fallen in love and decided to spend the rest of our lives together. It makes so much sense actually now that I oversee our entire journey. It was planned all along by God. He knew it from the very start that there would be no better man for me out there other than me. You do not understand the ways in which you have truly changed my life. You are the reason why my old, childlike, carefree self has come back to life. You make me happy and joyous beyond words can describe. Thank you for bringing that spark back into my life. Every day that I wake up, I genuinely have so much excitement to see what the day has in store for us. My love for you is so vast, never did I imagine it was possible to love another human being so much. I know that there have been multiple days that have been a total menace towards you. The way you handle my mood swings, comfort me during my worst times amazes me every single day. The amount of patience and calm that you possess is so remarkable. It surprises me how we found each other in such a vast world. We have been right beside each other all along and finally met at a time when it was least expected. I'm grateful to Jesus every single day for choosing you for me. You are literally my answered prayer. I'm so excited to start this journey with you as husband and wife. I know we will face challenges just like everyone else does. But all I can promise you is that no matter what happens and where life takes us, I will always love you, cherish you, honor you, and be by your side. I promise to be a good wife, a good partner, a good mother to our children, God willing. But most of all, I promise to always be your best friend and partner in crime. I love you, my baby. I love the way you love and adore my family, and I'm grateful to have found such a loving family through yours as well. You're a good man, a God-fearing man, and most of all, a man who lives life with no regrets. You teach me every day how to take life as it goes and show me that with a calm mindset and determination, anything can be achieved. I can honestly go on and on and on about you and us, but I guess all I want to say is that with this new chapter, I pray truly from the bottom of my heart that we continue being each other's safe place, each other's home, and each other's peace of mind. I love you, my Puchi Kudi, my Shona Babu, my Moina Pakhi. Here's to many more years of love, intimacy, understanding, support, respect, and endless laughter and crazy adventures together. Yours lovingly and faithfully, Ritu.
From the very first day back in school, I never knew that the girl I teased and bullied would one day become my whole world. Life took us on different paths after school, and every time we met, it's funny how life was reminding me that you were meant to be in my story. When you finally settled down here again and opened up to me about your past, about the struggles you faced at home with your father and how your mother and sister chose to rise above all, I love the strength that in you and I admire that to this day. You become the definition of what I value the most in this world, a strong woman who fights for her place, who never lets the world decide her worth, and I will always admire that fire in you. Slowly, without us realizing, we grew closer. To be honest, I don't even know the exact moment we fell in love. It happens, makes my heart warm. I know I wasn't there to protect you during your hardest years, and I can never change that, but I promise you that from this moment onwards, you will always find me. Almost done. Your worries are my worries, your struggles will be my struggles, and your victories will be my victories. I promise to stand by you through every storm. Holy shit. And come and to love you through every phase of your life. You're my best friend, my love, my strength, my hilarious twin, my partner in crime, my soulmate, my happy ending, my sorrow, my calm, my happiness, my sadness, my entire life, and today my wife, and I am forever grateful that life gave me you.